Eating healthy can be less expensive. It means healthy diet is cheaper than the unhealthy diet which many Australians are currently living on. So, a study was done that compared the cost of recommended Australian dietary guidelines to dash an average Australian family buys. To which an average Australian family buys. No, what is the meaning of which? When we say which book do you want to buy? Actually, we want to ask you, kaun si book? तो which is not making sense. Those is used with plurals. What means क्या? What are you eating? आप क्या खा रहे हो? That means वो. That boy is very kind. वो लड़का बहुत kind है. So, to what an average Australian family buys is making sense. I'll go for one. What means क्या? And eats a fortnight. It found that the healthy diet can save $150 at the checkout a fortnight or 3,900 a year. The study also highlighted the health benefits of Dash, the guidelines. Now here following adhering, stating means telling, sticking means to remain stuck. किसी चीज को पकड़ लेना. Following means किसी चीज को follow करना, मानना. Adhering is generally used in formal situations. So यहाँ पर I'll say the study also highlighted the health benefits of following the guidelines, which include eating more fruit and vegetables, whole grains, lean meats, dairy products, and avoiding processed foods, sweetened drinks, desserts, and alcohol. The researchers said that diets dash in fruit and vegetables can protect against high blood pressure, and diets dash in fruit and vegetables. So separate, no, rich in. Rich means which has abundance of something. Can protect against high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers, as well as dash mood and mental well being. Rise mood, no. Exaggerate means overstate. Flourish means to settle something, to establish. Here, I think boost should be the right answer. Boost means to level up, to increase. So, boost mood and mental well being. Let's check. So, we have got all correct. Firstly, the environmental research community is experiencing a silent alarm. Alarm means danger. As the pace of ecological degradation, speed of ecological degradation is outpacing their projections. Projections means whatever they hoped, whatever their estimations were. The rate of deforestation and habitat loss, especially in the Amazon and Southeast Asian rainforest, is exceeding dash estimates. Exceeding because they had made some projections, but now it is exceeding. Agrarian consistent? No. Consistent means something that's regular. Prior can be the right option. Why? Because here they already mentioned outpacing their projections. Whatever they anticipated, उन्होंने जो भी उम्मीद की थी वो उससे ऊपर जा रहा है. तो यहाँ पर prior means पहले से ही जो तय किया था. ये estimates उसको cross कर रहे हैं because they already mentioned is exceeding. This is leading to a catastrophic loss of biodiversity. Acceleration means increase in the extinction of numerous species. Extinction means coming to an end. Concurrently, ocean dash, particularly plastic contamination. Now, see, plastic contamination. Contamination means to make something impure. And ocean declaration, exploration, coincidence, no. Ocean pollution, because here we have plastic contamination is growing more rapidly. So pollution is growing more rapidly than anticipated means expected, affecting marine life and coral reefs worldwide. The Great Barrier Reef, for example, is experiencing dash levels of bleaching and may be irreversibly damaged within a decade. Is experiencing manageable? No, because maybe irreversibly. Irreversibly means then you cannot go back to the older situation. So it means manageable is not the right word here. Seasonal also not right. Why? Because seasonal means happening during particular seasons. Unprecedented. It means uncontrolled. And here they already are talking about irreversibly damaged. So unprecedented should be the right word here, which is not controlled easily. Then the environmental reports and predictions that were dashed upon by various governments and organizations are now seen as outdated. Relied upon, it is a collocation. Dismissed upon, dispersed means to scatter. Published upon, no, it is not a collocation. So relied means to depend on something. Various governments and organizations are now seen as outdated. And overly optimistic means too positive. Secondly, one of the most immediate consequences of this environmental crisis will be its impact on human health and livelihoods. As global temperatures continue to rise, a situation that is now inevitable. Inevitable means unavoidable. Since no, due to existing levels of greenhouse gases, since no, as of in spite of, due to existing levels of greenhouse gases, the incidence of health issues. Let's check. So we have got all the